Alright, welcome back everybody. I just thought I'd do like a little midweek video. Like, I've got a load of panels turned up. Well, or a couple of bits you might have seen in the background video anyway, but I'll just show you quick what I've got. So, obviously this is for the new shell. I've got a complete floor, obviously in and out seals, absolute arm and a leg. So yeah, so I've already unboxed that one. I've got a couple of seals, outer seals. You may be wondering why I've got them, but they're actually for this one because it's got the dreaded over seals on it, and I have found a bit inside of the rear pockets. Basically it's the bit down in there, the strengthener, where the subframe bolts to, so I need to address that sooner rather than later so I can actually use the thing, which is the whole point of me getting it, which all the best plans and that. Anyway, let's open this box. You can probably guess what's going to be in there by what I've got there, but let's have a look. Right, now I ain't got a knife. Right, I'm about to say I need a knife. Right, so would you believe it? I can't find a knife, but I've got a scraper, so hopefully I can hack it open a bit. You can probably all guess what it is anyway. It's starting to get, I haven't even let it out yet, so. There we have complete boot floor. So this part is getting everything it needs. So yeah, expensive. Not as expensive as the other one, I must admit. Right, so let's open the other box now. Yeah, let's open this one up now. I haven't obviously opened this one either, so I know what should be in there. Mainly for my resale job, but I hate packing type. I really must get used to standing off. I just remembered that I bought that one earlier. So that's not ideal. So that's the top of that home. Right, so what we got here? Oh, more cardboard. And more cardboard. There. Got genuine step, which is obviously for the resale one, for the black one. both sides. I'm not sure what you can see here. Hopefully you can see alright. Couple of them. More cardboard. We go in here. I can make a guess. Couple of subframe to wheel arch strengtheners. So that's good. Try it down there for a minute. More rear subframe bits. Right, now this, I've got a Mark 1 toe board, which I'm probably, well, I will have to weld up this I will buy the blanking plate. But I wanted this because it's got the different strengtheners in it. It's got the right shapes up here. But it is Magnum. But I've heard good things about these, so hopefully it's true. Right, that's one of them. A panel, non-genuine. The other side, one of these. A boot repair panel for the neon, because it's had the rear, it has had the back end de-seamed, but it's been done badly and it's starting to bubble anyway, so yeah, so we're going to change that at some point. Cut of closing panels. Like rear corner repair panels. I was going to buy a big back end, but I decided against it. It's so expensive. These aren't the best, but I can make them work. I've used them before. And I've got two sets of these, one for the reshell, one for the 90, because like I said, it's been de-seamed, so it hasn't got the lip. So that's them. I should have two rear balances. Yeah. That's for the reshell, because it's got no fog lamp bits, as you can see. So that one is for the neon as well, where it's been de-seamed, as I just said. So what else we got? Anything else? So two more of them closing panels like that there. Couple of boot repair panels for both. I think that is it. Anything else? No, I think that's a lot. That's more than enough, trust me. Right, but like I said, this is just a quick one anyway. Just something for you to have a look at during the week. So hopefully join me next week, where I'm going to either start doing, yeah, next week I'm going to either start doing the shell or start doing the seals on the neon, which needs to be done because I need it so I can get it on the road, so I can use it on the road. But yeah, maybe leave a comment down below, let me know what you want to see. They're both getting done anyway, so I'll probably just jump between the two anyway, but it's a bit more awkward working in this garage because there's all junk and stuff in here, as you can see. Right, so thanks for watching, catch you all again soon, bye.